Hi guys and welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be talking about intermittent fasting and how it is helpful. So basically intermittent fasting in India, it's been done by accident or by religious reasons or by spiritual reasons and also by scientific reasons possible. It's like when somebody is fasting for a day, somebody is fasting for 15 days, somebody is fasting for a whole month. So what happens with that? It's like they lose fat. And why do they lose fat? Because they are fasting for like 18-20 hours and they are doing that every day. So the process of intermittent fasting is this, that when you are fasting, you're not eating anything, so you're not drinking any sugar, so all the sugar which is there in your liver, stored in your muscles, it will be using all of that and will getting into ketosis or trying to use ketones as a source of energy very soon. So it's very important that you do intermittent fasting to get on ketosis. Another very important point is the growth hormone. So the growth hormone release is even more when you're basically fasting, especially if you extend your fasting to another 5-6 hours. That's when the growth hormone is basically used in its optimum, and your body will get on ketosis very soon. So also when you wake up in the morning after fasting the whole night, and when you have say black coffee or any a stimulant to make your energy level really high without sugar or carbohydrates in it or fats or anything, then you'll be straight away pushing yourself into ketosis, as you will be starting to burn fat. So if you want to get on ketosis very soon, or if you want to use your ketones, basically you want to use your fat as a source of energy, intermittent fasting is the way to it. Like usually, especially me, and I'm sure a lot of people are used to having 6 meals or 8 meals or 10 meals a day. The lesser meals you have, it will really help in ketosis. So also your insulin level. So your insulin plays another very important part. The another hormone which is a very strong hormone which will stop other hormones from operating. Insulin can stop growth hormone also. So it's very important that you keep your, especially when you're not having any sugar, the insulin level is really low. If your insulin level is low, you'll be burning more fat. Also insulin plays a great role, especially from your pancreas sending signals to everywhere. It basically blocks the signals. It's like when you're listening to music and your ears are closed, you'll not be able to hear because it's not passing signal. So insulin does the same role. It just, from your pancreas to pass signal to other parts of the body, it does the same thing. So you want to get on ketosis soon, intermittent fasting is the way. Try to get on 2 meals, try to get on 1 meal a day, do great cardio, burn calories. That's the way to go about it. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment, share as much as you like.